Hi there, Christine from Microsoft here. Let me show you how Copilot in Word can help create kid-friendly recipes in no time. Open Word and click the Copilot icon. Type a prompt like create 5 kid-friendly recipes that are healthy, easy to make, and fun to eat. Include ingredients and simple steps. Copilot instantly generates a list of recipes with clear ingredients and instructions to follow. Want Copilot to make things even more engaging? Let's try a prompt to include a fun activity for each recipe to make them extra exciting for kids. Copilot updates the document with playful tips for each recipe, making mealtimes extra fun. To help with prep, you can also ask Copilot to add a shopping list for all recipes combined. And watch as it creates a consolidated list for easy grocery shopping. And that's it! Like, subscribe, and let us know what you want to learn next in the comments.